Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my niece Morgan, and she is coming today for a redesign. So I've done a set. I'm sure they're up on here. Yeah, they are up on here. So she's come back in after about 3 weeks. Well, she's come around for a sleepover and then, you know, slips in that she wants her nails done. So yeah, we've removed that previous design and now we're going to do a nice cute. She wanted a nude set. By the way, I still have got a cough. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry if I keep stopping randomly from talking. It's because I don't seem to have any cough anymore except of a night time, and whenever I start talking for a lot, it seems to come and really tickle my throat, and you need to cough. So I'm going to be pretty brief. Anyway, so here I'm using Aquamarine. It's a new one from CJP. And then I'm using Glam & Glitz Ice Cream Pop for the pink. And we're just going to create a simple marble. I love pink and blue together because then, like, when they're blended together, it makes purple, like a lilac-y colour. And I just think they go really well together. At first I used to think, oh, they're very like gender reveal nails, but I see past that now, and I just love blue and pink together. So the pointer finger is just going to be a ombre of the two colours. I was thinking about doing a nude ombre and, you know, blue at the tip and then nude into that, but she said no, I want the pink. And I loved how they blended together. It was pretty easy. You know, you have some colours that just don't blend well together. These were alright, these were good. So the middle finger, she kept saying she was saying I want a triangle, and I couldn't work out what she meant by a triangle. So she had to show me a picture, and this was it. So I call it like a French, like a pointy French. What does everyone else call it? Because I feel like that's the wrong word for it. A pointy French. But anyway, we're using a birthday suit to create this extended nail. Well, it's not even extended nail, but yeah, what do you call it? Because I don't know. By the way, excuse my nails. It's just the way I am. I do gels, pick them off within a day. I know it's so wrong, but I can't help myself. So yeah, once I've built up the colour, I then cap it in clear. Don't ask me why I do this. I just like to cap. I've said this a few times. Oh, sorry, it's starting to happen. I've said this a a few times, sorry, that when I cap it in clear, I always think that it just smooths everything out, and I don't know, I just love to cap any nail in clear. I'm really sorry, this voiceover is just awful. But yeah, like I don't have any tonsils, but I get a cough like once every 2 years. Last time I had it was for 6 weeks. My clients were like, I remember my clients saying like, "Are you okay? Like I haven't seen you for 3 weeks and you've still got that same cough." I don't know, it's weird. I'm not one to go to the doctor either. Anyway, this is going to be a glitter fade. So I'm using Beth Tissue at the cuticle area, I'm blending it down, and then I just want a wash of that pink colour down, and then we're going to add the glitter on top. I absolutely love this glitter. So pretty. So I thought I'd just show you a clip of me capping just one nail rather than them all. Still using my size 10 brush to do that. It kind of picks up nice, small beads and big beads, so it's really great. So yeah, just a little mini clip of that. So I capped them all, and then we're going to come back to file the middle finger to get that nice and crisp. I'm always just absolutely faffing around. I'm surprised the set don't take me about 4 hours. Like, why didn't I just leave that? Make myself laugh. So yeah, just removed all the dust. I think I had a go at her there because she couldn't stop fidgeting. She always starts, and then I go, right, you're going to leave your nails like that then. She's like, no. Okay, so I just wanted a little wash down of that colour, because like I say many times, I like to just have a base colour down when I put on glitters, no matter what glitter it is. I just love to do that. And then we're going to go pink down one side and blue down the other. And the glitters are from my website, and they are Pink Princess and Blue Bombshell. Two beautiful glitters. I love them both. So just a little faff around really, and I am just trying to not blend them together, well, yeah, kind of blend them together a little bit. See, look, constantly looking, constantly having a look, just flipping them up, having a look. Anyway, so I did cap that tip. I filed and shaped them off camera, buffed them, removed all the dust, and now we're going in with top coat. Let me know if you want a new, like, updated video of my filing and shaping, how I do it. I know you've already seen one before, but if you want to see a new updated one, let me know. If not, fine, whatever. So I'm using the Gel Bottle Extreme Shine Top Gloss, and we're just going to apply a thin layer of that over all her nails. She'll cure in my LED Sun 5 lamp for around 60 seconds. I applied some cuticle oil, and that is a set complete. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.